How to sell XRP on Binance. If you'd like to sell XRP on Binance, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. Head over and open up the Binance application or website and sign in into your account first. After that is done, make sure your XRP is in your spot wallet. So you can go ahead and go to the wallets tab, go to spot and check your XRP is in your spot wallet. If it is in another wallet like funding, transfer it to spot first. Once that is done on the app, go to the thread section, head over to the home page and find the option called convert. And from there, you can just go ahead and find this section where you can basically select from XRP to this particular section, from XRP to USDT. So just go ahead and do so and review the conversion. Just go ahead and enter the amount and convert it. And once that is done, the conversion should be successful. Now, once it is converted, you can head over and from the wallets tab, go to spot and find the transfer option. And from here, you will be finding this section. Here, just go ahead and select from spot wallet to funding and type in the amount and confirm the transfer. And after that, head over to funding tab. And from funding tab, go over here and go to the section. Here, just go ahead and tap on sell. And here, just go ahead and tap on payment method. And from here, just go ahead and select up a payment method, tap on sell. And here, just go ahead and type in the quantity and everything. And just go ahead and do so. Select the order type, your market order, your limit order, enter the amount of XRP you want to sell, or use the slider to choose a percentage. After that, your USDT or other selected crypto will appear in your spot wallet instantly for market orders. And that's it. So if you'd also like to go ahead and sell XRP on Binance, you may follow up the steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.